9 gold medals. I hope everybody book is open. This 9 gold medal basically is written by David Roth. So about the David Roth, everything is written in the book. Just write down his date of birth. That is, he's born in October 10, 1954. Now, he is an American rock vocalist, songwriter, actor, author, and radio personality. And this poem has been written by him showing the value of cooperation, sharing, competing, and complementing. Please write down these are the keywords for this poem. The major keyword for this poem is empathy. Empathy is an ability to put oneself in another's shoes, means to feel up and keeping yourself on somebody else's position. That is exactly the meaning of empathy. Please write it down, empathy. I'm coming to the chat box now. Again, empathy is the keyword for this poem, and rest of the keyword will be after I'll be explaining you. Rest of the keywords will be coming forward to you all right now. Empathy is the ability to put oneself in another's position, or you can say in another's shoe. Right now, the athlete had come from so many countries to run for the gold, for the silver and bronze. Many weeks and months in training, all building up to the games. Basically this poetry is about a differently abled people. This poem and this is a competition where the people or different athlete have come from different country, so they are different the cities of country, they have come here to participate in the gold medal, and everybody has an aspiration of winning a gold medal. And this is special olympics. Please write it down. It is a special olympics. Special olympics is only for the differently abled people. Again, this is another keyword and important point for this poem, that this olympic is for the differently abled people. And you will not use paralyzed, handicapped, or these kind of word will not be used in this poem. You have to simply write differently abled people. Now, the athlete has come from so many countries to run for gold, for silver, and bronze. Many weeks and months in training, all building up to the games. Means it is the first description, the first stanza is about the effort has been put by the different athlete, that they were practicing for many weeks and months. They were on the training for many weeks and for many months. So all building up to the games is everybody has an aspiration of winning a gold medal, silver medal, and bronze medal. Now, second stanza. All round the field, spectators were gathered. You know, when there is an Olympics, so all over the spectators means the audience have gathered. Spectators means the audience who have come to witness the program or witness the game. All round the fields, spectators were gathered, cheering on all the young women and men. Then the final event of the day was approaching, the last race about to begin. The entire all the game is over. The last game was remaining, which was a race. The last race about to begin. That was the last race of the event, which was about to begin, and there was a lot of gathering around the field, and people were cheering all the men and women over there, those who have participated in that Olympic. The loudspeakers called out the names of the runners. Now this is it's a final race. That name was being announced by the on the loudspeaker. Then 100-meter the race to be run. It was 100-meter race which has to be run by the participants, and the names were calling out. Just imagine the scenario over there. Means all over the spectators are cheering upon the men and women, those who have participated in that, and they were all gathered to witness the last race of that event. What was the event? It was a Special Olympic. What is Special Olympics? Special Olympics is the Olympic organized for differently abled people. The loudspeaker called out the names of the runners. The 100-meter, the race to be run. It was 100. Please underline, this is 100-meter race. And 9 young athletes. And how many were the participants? There were only 9 runners were there. There were 9 young athletes stood determined. They're determined. They were determined has been used for their firm that they all are standing with an aspiration to win the gold medal. And poised for the sound of the gun. Poised means they were ready with the sound of the gun. As the gun explode, they have to start the race. So poised means being ready. Please write it down. Poised means being ready. Now, I think so these three stanzas is clear. Please put up a message in the chat box. Ability to put oneself in another's position. हम अगर किसी प्रॉब्लम में होते हैं और कोई अगला किसी प्रॉब्लम में है और हम अपने आप को उस प्रॉब्लम में इमेजिन करके जो अपने अंदर फीलिंग डेवलप करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एम्पैथी. Have come to witness the live program, that is called spectators. Omitted from the syllabus, rest everything is same. Your noting letter, informal, formal, and your the email writing, everything is same. To that ICSC.org Paralympic, but you will not write, and to be the athlete which have participated in this are being called as a differently able. Please do not use the word paralyzed or handicapped kind of word. Please jot it down. You are not supposed to use in this poetry. And the first major key point of this poetry is empathy. Empathy, again I'm repeating, empathy is the ability to put oneself in another's position or another's shoe. So this is the empathy, and rest of the other keywords will be coming up while explaining the chapter. So keep on writing the keyword, because keyword is a major word which is being checked during the exams, board exams. अगर आपने एक पन्ने का आंसर लिखा और उसमें कीवर्ड आपने मेंशन नहीं किया तो you're not going to get marks. So your key, और आपने एक आंसर को 3 लाइन में एक्सप्लेन किया and all the necessary keywords are there, you're going to score full marks. So be very sure and particular about the keywords used for the poetry or any of these chapter. So coming to the next, the signal was given, the pistol exploded, and so did the runners on hearing the sounds. But the youngest among them stumbled and staggered, and he fell on his knees to the ground. As I told you, all the athletes, those 9 athletes were differently able athletes. And the moment the pistol exploded, everybody was there on their position, on their mark, and after listening to the pistol explode, they all start their race. And the moment they start the youngest participant, the youngest athlete, stumbled and staggered. Stumbled यानी किसी चीज से ट्रिप कर जाना. Stumbled means to trip यानी कि ठोकर खा जाना. किसी चीज से ठोकर लगने से लुढ़क जाते. That is called stumbled and staggered. Staggered means to be गिर जाना. Was very surprised. And so, but the youngest among them, जो उसमें सबसे छोटा athlete था, जो सबसे youngest athlete था, he stumbled and staggered, and he fell on his knees to the ground, and immediately he fell down. The moment the athlete started their race, the youngest among them. Please, again, this is again the important line of the youngest. If you're mentioning about the athlete who stumbled and staggered, so you have to mention that he was the youngest athlete. He was the youngest member of that 9 participants. So the youngest one stumbled and staggered, and he fell on his knees to the ground. He gave out a cry of frustration and anguish. Anguish means he was totally shattered. वो सपना लेके वो 9 participants वहाँ पे खड़े थे to win the gold medal. जब youngest गिरा, so he gave out a cry of frustration and anguish. Anguish means अपना जो shattered हो जाना, उसकी dream. When you dream something and it gets shattered, that is called anguish. So he was totally anguished, gave a cry of frustration and anguish. His dreams and his effort dashed in the dirt. And the moment he fell down, so all the dreams of winning a gold medal, because why it was all dirt? Because that was the last sprint of the entire event, that entire Olympics. So therefore it is said that was जो भी होता वो लास्ट रेस में ही होता, उसको भी विन करना था, he has to win that last race. And the moment he staggered and stumbled, so his dreams were all, because he frustrated, he started out loud cry. हाँ, उससे जोर से शोर मचाया, चिल्लाना जिसे कहते हैं, loud cry was there. And because his dreams and his effort dashed in the dirt. My volume is totally high, children. There must be a problem in your earphone, because the speaker is almost near my cheek. So I don't think so कि मेरी volume में कोई problem आएगी. और वैसे भी normally the volume is very high. Circumstances means any relative word or a strong word. Keyword means basically, yes, when the question has been used to be put up in the question paper, so the teacher or the person who corrects your copy checks for the keyword. आपसे जो भी क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा रिलेटेड फॉर एनी ऑफ द पोयम, उस पोयम में टीचर जो भी करेक्शन करती है या कोई भी एनीबडी सर्चेस फॉर द कीवर्ड. वो कीवर्ड आपके आंसर में होना ही चाहिए, चाहे आप पोएट्री की बात करिए, चाहे आप प्रोज की बात करिए, चाहे आप मर्चेंट ऑफ वेनिस की बात करिए. योर कीवर्ड इज नेसेसरी पॉइंट फॉर इंग्लिश टू स्कोर better marks in English. Keyword is very very important in that part. No, keyword doesn't mean देवेश, कीवर्ड का मतलब ये नहीं स्मॉल वर्ड. कीवर्ड जैसे मैंने बताया अभी, एम्पैथी. एम्पैथी इस पूरी पोएम का मेन कीवर्ड है कि जो मैसेज डेविड रॉथ इस पोएट्री wanted to convey to the readers, that is importantly empathy. जहाँ पे empathy, the cooperation. Let me give you a very simple example. Suppose you are, अभी आप लोगों का last year वो हुआ था ना, Nationals Day हुआ था, तो everybody was putting their best effort in winning the medal, right? अगर उसमें कोई हार रहा था तो जो winning team थी वो यही बना रही थी कि भाई अगला हारेगा, अगला अगर धीरे होगा तो मैं विन कर जाऊँ. कहीं ना कहीं किसी ना किसी के मन में ये थॉट, either it is the thought of anyone. तो हम लोग टोटली एबल्ड पीपल ये सोचते हैं कि वो हार जाए मैं जीत जाऊं, जबकि हमारे और उसकी एफर्ट में, हमारे उसकी बॉडी बिल्डिंग या कुछ में भी कहीं फर्क नहीं होता, लेकिन हम हमेशा चाहते हैं कि अगला गिर जाए, अगले के साथ हो जाए और मैं विन कर जाऊं. यहाँ पे डेविड रॉथ ने यही बताने में जो पैरा ओलंपिक्स ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया है, यहाँ पे वो जो 9 एथलीट है जो कि कहीं ना कहीं किसी ना किसी चीज से डिफरेंटली एबल्ड हैं, और अगर और उनके साथ जो पोएम, जो इसमें जो यंगेस्ट पार्टिसिपेंट जो गिरता है, तो जो कोऑपरेशन और जो कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग वो लोग करते हैं आपस में एक दूसरे के, दैट इज कमेंडेबल. तो वंस यू गेट टू नो द अदर पैराग्राफ ऑफ द पोएम तो आपको ज्यादा क्लियर हो जाएगा. Keyword, again, you people are misunderstanding the keyword. Keyword is not a small message. Keyword is the word, the major word. I hope, Devesh, तुमको मैं अलग से बताऊंगी. Now let me continue. Now he gave out a cry of frustration and anguish. His dreams and his efforts dashed in the dirt. But as sure as I am standing here telling the story, now it's a strange one. But here's what occurred. And David Roth, the writer, the poet, was standing over there, and the entire scene of that field has changed when that youngest participant fallen down. जैसे ही वो गिरा, वो पूरे इंटायर जो गेम में जो 9 पार्टिसिपेंट्स वहां पे थे और पूरे गेम की एक यू टर्न लेता है, एंड विच एस्टोनिश्ड each and every person who was witnessing that program, that race. So now it's a strange one, but here what occurred. The 8 other athletes stopped in their tracks. और जैसे ही वो the 9th, the youngest participant staggered there, stumbled there, the other 8 stopped their race. The one who had trained for so long to complete, one by one they turned around and came back to help him. And the moment what happened, the moment the youngest participant fallen down, the other turned back when he shouted out cry with frustration and anguish, everyone turned there and they wanted to look what actually happened. And when they saw that the one of the participant amongst them fallen down, everybody stopped their race and they returned back to help that particular boy who was fallen down. One by one, they turned around and came back to help him and lifted the lad to his foot. Lad means the boy. Lad word means the boy. And lifted the lad to his feet. No. So they all, what happened? The moment the youngest participant fallen down, the other 8 turned back, because when he gave a loud cry, all the other 8 participants turned back. And the moment they saw that the youngest one is fallen down, so each one stopped their race on the track and they returned back to help the youngest participant. Then all 9 runners joined hands and continued. And what the entire scenario changed, all the other 8 participants who went forward in the race, they all returned, and what did they do? They lifted the boy, they lifted lad in their arms, and all of 9 hold their hand and made a straight line, and they continued. The 100-meter reduced to a walk, and all the other 8, amongst that the 9th one, they all together started the race, and that race converted into walk. Please underline, this is the major line of the poem. The race converted into 100-meter race converted into 100-meter walk. The 100-meter reduced to a walk, and the banner above the said Special Olympics. So, see, this the quoted word Special Olympics could have been nearer the mark. Means the word Special Olympics has been given to those for differently abled, but Special Olympics stand over the banner. So banner is Special Olympics because of these 9 athletes really, 9 not 8, these 8 athletes really made this as Olympic as Special Olympics. बिकॉज नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बींग हमने आपको पहले बताया जैसे कि पहले भी अगर कोई हम लोग रेस करते नॉर्मल ह्यूमन हम ये सोचते हैं अगला गिर जाए हम आगे यार अगला रुक जाए हम आगे यार एंड वी फील हैप्पी जब जैसे जैसे जो अपने जैसे कि देयर इज अ रेस हम जो ब्रीथलेस होते जाते हैं वो पीछे होते जाते हैं तो वी फील हैप्पी कि वो रुक गया तो सो दैट वी आर वी सो हम लोग हर तरह से एबल्ड पीपल थिंक अबाउट लाइक दैट डिफरेंटली एबल्ड पीपल जिनके लिए सोसाइटी में फाइट करना एक्सेप्ट करना रहना अपने आप में इज अ चैलेंजेबल जॉब उसके बावजूद when they saw that one of their participants fallen down the other 8 turned back because everybody was standing with an aspiration to win. See again aspiration is another key word for the word all the participants were their aspiration with to win the gold medal. वहाँ पे जितने 9 एथलीट खड़े थे वो यही सोच के खड़े थे कि हम जीते और हमें गोल्ड मेडल मिले. Everybody was having a same thought, same training, everything. लेकिन जैसे ही उसमें से एक गिरा what happened everybody stopped and turned back and came to help at the ninth youngest one. So this shows the value of cooperation amongst the participants. Check out the group. Which group? WhatsApp group. Are you sending WhatsApp? Definitely, if the keyword is required in a particular answer and if the keyword is missing, it is an incomplete answer. When we will discuss the question answers in the workbook. I will be helping you out how to write. Come on, you are people are doing from 9, and this I'm continuously repeating. You have to write. That doesn't matter how long a lengthy answer you are writing. The major point is that your keyword should be there. वो होना ही चाहिए. Fine. So I hope Devesh, let them talk unnecessarily. I am not concerned about what unnecessarily they are talking. You concentrate on your work. Now just message me if this paragraph which I have done is clear to you all. Page number 36. Compassion. Compassion means having a feeling of others means having an equal feeling for others. Compassion. आप जब एक दूसरे से compassionate होते when you think about others, when you feel about the other pain, love and hatred, so that is called compassion. जब आप एक से अपने आप को connect कर पाते हैं, that is compassion for each other. Anguish means pain and disappointment. He was totally frustrated. Why he was frustrated? Because he stumbled over there, and anguish because the dream which he was there in his mind to win the gold medal was all shattered. So anguish means totally disappointed, right? So frustrated and disappointed कि अब उसकी gold medal win करने की जो hope था, it all got dashed in the dirt. Means धूल में मिल गया. Now, what happened? The moment the youngest participant fallen down, the other 8 heard his voice of frustration, of his cry, and they all turned back, lift that lad, and then they all joined hand in hand, and that 100-meter race converted into 100-meter walk. And the banner above that said Special Olympics could not have been nearer the mark. And the banner which stands for Special Olympics, these athletes proved that yes, this is an Special Olympics, because an able people will never do so and will feel happy if somebody stumbled or somebody staggered on the ground, so they feel happy that now their winning chance is more. But what happened in this Olympic? Everybody stopped their race without thinking about that they are standing there to win a gold medal. सारे के सारे एक एक करके वापस आए और उस बच्चे को उठाकर वो सारे के सारे एक साथ एक लाइन में खड़े हो गए, and that 100-meter race converted into 100-meter walk. could not have been urine or mark means they prove that this is a Special Olympics. Special Olympics shows that this is the Olympics which is for differently abled people. But yes, they were differently able because of their thought, because of their compassion, because of their empathy. So they prove that yes, it is a Special Olympic, not because they are differently abled or they are somewhere they had an problem with their physical fitness, but they are mentally very strong. They are mentally very, so therefore it shows that yes, it is a Special Olympic. That's how the race ended with 9 gold medals, and the 9 participants got a gold medal. This was again a special thing because जब भी होता तो कोई एक ही उसमें winner होता है. So now here all the 9 participants were the winner for the 9 gold medal. Why? Because of their empathy, because their cooperation, because of their competing value, and they're complementing each other. So therefore, it stands as a Special Olympics. 100 meter walk, not a single walk. Everybody like on a 100 meter race, everybody runs no all together. Similarly, so one after the other, the race goes on. But here the race, all the 9 athletes holding hand in hand, they were all converted to race. Each, but if every athlete were holding each other's hand, and that 100 meter race converted into 100 meter walk. Page number 36, which line are you asking, Arya? Compassion stop running. What is the meaning of this line? Let me finish the Arya. Let me finish the poem. I'll explain you on the page number 36. Wait, Drishti and Arya, wait. Let me finish. We are at the end of the last passage. Okay. That's how the race ended with the 9 gold medals. They came to finish line holding hands still, and that 100 meter race converted into 100 meter walk, and all the 9 that were holding their hand came to the finishing line. And the banner above the 9 smiling faces said more than these words ever will. Said more than these words ever will means मैंने बताया ना आपको जिसका नाम था पैरा स्पेशल ओलंपिक और पैरा ओलंपिक्स स्पेशल ओलंपिक व्हाई given a name as a special olympic because it is the olympic which is organized for the differently abled people. वो differently able people के लिए वो यूज किया गया मतलब वो स्पेशल ओलंपिक्स नाम दिया गया so that जब स्पेशल ओलंपिक्स का नाम आए तो लोगों को समझ में आए कि स्पेशल ओलंपिक्स मीन्स की पार्टिसिपेंट्स आर डिफरेंटली एबल्ड पार्टिसिपेंट्स. लेकिन वहां पे स्पेशल ओलंपिक्स का मतलब ही इन एथलीट्स ने चेंज कर दिया व्हेन दे स्टॉप देयर रेस फॉर अस. ओलंपिक्स मीन समथिंग वेरी बिग, अ वेरी बिग ब्रांड एंड वेरी बिग बैनर. लेकिन उस बैनर को में गोल्ड मेडल जीतने का जो एस्पिरेशन वो लोग सारे 9 एथलीट्स इतने महीनों प्रैक्टिस कराया जा रहा था. व्हाट हैपेंड? दे ऑल स्टॉप फॉर हेल्पिंग अ यंगेस्ट पार्टिसिपेंट इन द ग्रुप. So therefore this stands for the banner Special Olympics, and they proved it as a Special Olympics because yes, they were different. They were different from a normal human being. Their compassion, their love, their value of helping, cooperating, and empathy was entirely different from the बिल्कुल ही physical able people थे. वो उनका cooperation, उनकी training सब कुछ है. हमें train किया जाता है कि तुम्हें जीतना है. हम सब लोग सोचते हैं हमें जीतना है. Simple when you participate in a sports event, आपको लगता है मुझे जीतना, अपने हाउस को जिताना. आप दिमाग में चलते हो कि मुझे मेरे हाउस को जिताना है, मुझे जीतना है. बट यहाँ पे भी इन जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स ट्रेन कराया गया था तो इसी एस्पिरेशन से कराया गया था, यू हैव टू विन. बट व्हाट डिड दे डू व्हेन दे सॉ द पार्टिसिपेंट फॉलन डाउन, दे ऑल केम एंड हेल्प. सी जो ये इस टाइप के बच्चे होते हैं, these athletes, I have witnessed a game of these differently abled people. When you go for their help, they will definitely deny your help. They do not want anybody's mercy. उनको mentally इतना strong athlete को train किया जाता है कि they will not feel happy to be held by others. उनका अपना सारा काम even then जो जहाँ पे मैंने witness किया था, they all stayed there in a hostel. और उस वहाँ पे क्या होता है कि अगर they just get up from their bed, they do everything by themselves. They do not want anybody's help. Tying up from this from your the tying of their this beds and all, brushing their teeth, doing their everyday activity. They do not take help of anyone, and they feel very bad when somebody comes and give them a help as a mercy. They do not want anybody's mercy. They are very strong by their thoughts. Mentally, they are very strong. Mentally they are very strong. So this is what I said, more than these words ever will. तो जो स्पेशल ओलंपिक्स का वर्ड नाम दिया गया था, it proved that yes, it is a special Olympics. Now, do you need any other question? Do you have any doubt with you? Please text me if आप अगर अपने फ्रेंड के साथ आप compete कर रहे हैं, तो जब आप उस ग्राउंड में compete करते हैं तो you leave the feeling of friendship over there. वहाँ पे आप एक दूसरे को कॉम्पिटिटर की तरह देखते हैं. It's a general human nature. बट यहाँ पे वहाँ पे जो 9 एथलीट्स थे वो सारे आपस में एक दूसरे के कॉम्पिटिटर थे. बट व्हाट हैपेंड, द मोमेंट वन फॉलन डाउन, द रेस्ट 8 लेफ्ट देयर रेस एंड ऑल केम बैक टू हेल्प. So this is what the banner says, Special Olympics. I hope now it is clear. Poised, Drishti, that is poised means being ready. Poised, P-O-I-S-E-D, that is poised means being ready. Staggered means lost, लड़खड़ाना, lost balance. Stumble means जैसे stumble किसी trip कर जाना, किसी चीज से लड़ जाना और गिरना, लुढ़खड़ा जाना, that is called stumbled and staggered. Stumbled यानी अगर आपका जैसे आप कभी कभी होता है हम normal walk करते हैं और हमारे पैर से हमारा पैर लड़ जाता है और हम गिर जाते हैं, that is called stumbled. Staggered जब हम उस तरह से stumbled होते हैं तो कभी कभी हम अपने आप को बैलेंस कर लेते हैं और कभी कभी हम अपने आप को बैलेंस नहीं कर पाते, so that is called staggered, lost balance. Staggered means. So everyone is clear? So please, I'm repeating few keywords for your poetry. Just write down those keywords. These keywords will be helping you out in writing the question answer to the word. The first keyword, the most important keyword is empathy. Again, I'm repeating the meaning of the empathy. Empathy means putting somebody in different somebody else's position. That is empathy. Then value of cooperation. Please write it down. Value of cooperation, sharing, competing and complementing. ये इसके keywords हैं. Empathy means यहाँ पे empathy keyword is being used. Anshika has asked why empathy in this poem. Empathy in this poem, this means one of the youngest participant when fallen down, everybody turned back. और हर कोई ये सोच रहा था अगर मैं गिरता तो क्या करूँ, मैं गिरता तो क्या होगा. What they were expecting, क्योंकि they were differently abled. तो वो ये सोच रहे थे कि अगर मैं इस जगह गिर जाता तो क्या होगा, मैं उस जगह, हर कोई ये सोच के वापस आ गया. अगर मैं उसकी जगह होता तो मैं क्या, तो हर कोई ये सोचता कि मेरी कोई मदद करे, मुझे है, because they were differently abled. तो इसी वजह से that the value of empathy has come into play. That सबने इसी value को ध्यान में रखकर they all came back and held the person. Keyword is your empathy. Your value of cooperation, sharing, competing and complementing. Here it shows a simple how the human values are important as a spirit of competition. Human values, हम human values किनारे करके अपनी competition में participate करते हैं. हमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता ट्रैक पे मेरे बगल में मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड है या नहीं, हम उसे कॉम्पिटिटर की तरह देखते हैं, हमें हराना है. लेकिन यहाँ पे जो 9 पार्टिसिपेंट्स आपस में कनेक्ट खड़े थे, वो इस वैल्यू के साथ वहाँ पे कॉम्पिटिशन खड़े थे. ये नहीं सोच रहे थे कि मुझे इसको हराना है, ये गिर जाए, इसको चोट लग जाए, मैं जीत जाऊँ. वो फीलिंग और वो वैल्यू दिमाग में नहीं, उनके दिमाग में सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ही वैल्यू थी, दैट इज empathy. उनके दिमाग में एक ही वैल्यू थी कोऑपरेशन, उनके दिमाग में एक ही वैल्यू थी शेयरिंग, competing की. वो लोग they were standing as a competitor but not showing out the feeling of human values कि हम उसकी help ना करें. This is last two lines of the fifth stanza. Ashutosh. But sure, as I am standing here, the line written by the poet. That poet himself is witnessing this game, this Olympic. But as sure as I'm standing here telling the story, he himself witnessing as a spectator, he is witnessing the entire Olympic. Now it is strange one, but here what occurred? जब वो गिरा तो उसने कहा कि जब वो गिरा मैं वहीं था, मैं उसी as a spectator I was watching that entire show, and the moment that youngest participant fallen down, the entire scenario of the track changed. वो यहाँ पे ये एक्सप्लेन करना है समथिंग स्ट्रेंज हैपन विच इज बियॉन्ड अवर एक्सपेक्टेशन. मतलब हमारे एक्सपेक्टेशन या वहाँ के स्पेक्टेटर्स के एक्सपेक्टेशन के बिल्कुल अगेंस्ट था वो. मतलब किसी ने नहीं सोचा था कि कोई गिरेगा तो रेस इस तरह से कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी कि अपनी अपनी सब अपने रेस छोड़ के दे विल ऑल टर्न बैक एंड हेल्प दैट पुअर लैड हु हैज फॉलन डाउन देयर. So this is what I want to say, but as sure as I am standing here telling the story, now it's strange one, but here what occurred. The entire scenario of the track changed as each and every one came out there helping that youngest athlete. I hope everybody is clear with the. Please just raise your hand and don't write anything. Karthik Krishnani Barbar. So just raise question answers till then you can read it out. वैसे तो सारे question answers are quite easy for you all to do it, but still we will be discussing the answers over there. If you have any query for the questions, you can ask me there, and we'll be doing. How many